How to fix Facebook Marketplace not sending message. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not sending messages. How do you get about this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Facebook account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you will see a list of options displaying such as your name, friends, and then marketplace. Click on it. Once you click on it, and then you're taken to your page, the market page dashboard. Now on this dashboard, if you notice that you cannot send a message, and then you are wondering why, the reason could be perhaps maybe you're messaging someone in a country that doesn't have the same access to marketplace as you do. All right, if maybe a seller on this page does not have access to marketplace as you do, you won't be able to send a message to them. And perhaps maybe the person you're messaging in another country, a person's region, messaging between people in different global regions is not allowed, right? And also, you might have sent too many messages on marketplace in a day. There is always a limit to the amount of messages you can send on marketplace in a day. All right. If you send too many messages, you might not be able to send message again. And again, your access marketplace may have been removed. This could be perhaps you have violated some of the community guidelines. All right. If you have violated any of the community guidelines, your access marketplace may have been removed. And if perhaps you're reported either by a buyer or by a seller, your access to marketplace might also have been removed. So how do you resolve this? You resolve this by chatting up the customer support and asking them to to return your access to marketplace. And then how do you get access to the customer support? You can get access to them through tools, either by moving to the search icon located next to the logo here, where you just type customer support or help center here, or you can just navigate through to your selling dashboard located under buying. Once you're on this selling dashboard, click on create new listing, and then at the left side of the page you will see this option seller help. All right, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the help center, and from here you can ask any question you want to. At the left side of the screen you will see a list of options questions. They just look for the one that suits you, and then if you can't find your answer here, you would see that by the left side of the screen, you will see was this helpful? Go ahead and say no. And then once you say no, click on order and then type out your complete here. Once you type it out here, click on submit. And from there, Facebook will reach out to you, telling you what you need to do for your access to be restored. This is how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not sending messages. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.